Hello again. I'm still making the fajitas. Right now I am going to temperature on up to 350. See? 350 Fahrenheit. I think that's what it's called. Then I put the chicken in a little glass dish with a little bit of water. I don't use margarine in this one. You can also add spices, so hold on a second. I'm getting something here. The spices here. I'm going to get these spices and bring it over there. Okay? That'll be onion powder, chili powder, garlic powder, and maybe some pepper. Alright, here we go. Yes. My camera work may not be the greatest. I am a rookie. First time doing this for, not first time cooking, but first time trying to do this. So, here's the chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast. You can throw some spices on it. Sorry about that. Okay. So, you toss some seasoning on it. You don't have to measure it. Just do what you feel. You can put a little bit of the chicken garlic, chili powder on the chicken. And you just throw some onion powder. Sprinkle it the way you like it. If you want. You don't have to make the chicken spicy. You can actually make it very plain with no spices and just put it in the oven at 350. Making fajitas, so I like to make sure it's a little extra spicy. And just add a little extra garlic on it. Okay, so there we go. Oh, and pepper. Hold on a second. Just getting the pepper. Sorry, my camera works really terrible. Okay. Here's the pepper. And kind of like a righty and a lefty. Hold on a second. And then just throw it on like this. Honestly, chicken is not overly spicy food, so putting a little here and there is not going to do any harm. Now, then I got to put that in the oven. So here at 350 degrees Celsius, or Fahrenheit, sorry, 350 Fahrenheit. All I know is just 350. Okay, anyways, you put it in the oven, okay? My oven. And you leave it in the oven, okay, for at least for about an hour to an hour and a half. If it's not frozen. If it's frozen, 2 hours. But it's not frozen, so there we go. So I think an hour and a half. Keep checking on it just in case. Now I'm going to relax for a little bit, and then I will show you about dicing and slicing peppers. Thank you.